All right, March 13th, Wednesday edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'll have a few little images here regarding the Superstorm of 1993. Here we go. This is the satellite image from March 13th of 1993, 20 years ago today, as that big superstorm was wrapping up. What a tremendous weather event. If you lived anywhere across the eastern parts of the country, you likely remember this superstorm very vividly. It was quite an event. Now let me show you some of the snow totals from the state of North Carolina with this system. You had Mount Mitchell with 50 plus inches, and there were even some reports of higher amounts in some areas of the mountains. Asheville over 18 inches, and then as you got out into the Piedmont, the amounts really tapered off due to the track of that low being really right through the Carolinas, and that cut down on the snow totals. But here's a snow map for that event in the state of North Carolina. And notice there were some trace snow amounts, even all the way to the coast and the Outer Banks in some instances, but definitely the mountains and the foothills just crushed with heavy, wet snow, blizzard conditions, all kinds of wind. And this storm also produced a violent, severe weather outbreak down especially in Florida. And look at some of the snow totals around the country with this system. Gatlinburg, Tennessee, 30 inches of snow, and then look at Birmingham and Atlanta, 17 inches of snow in Birmingham, Alabama. Some areas around the Birmingham metro had over 20 inches. Atlanta, 16.2 inches. What a tremendous weather event 20 years ago today. Now, nothing like that ongoing today. Very quiet. And there's your radar, about as quiet as it gets here. Now you go off to the west of us, some snow showers and a few rain showers in Tennessee, up into Kentucky and parts of the Ohio Valley and the Midwest. A little piece of energy rippling our way that'll bring the mountains some snow today, and maybe a couple sprinkles in the Piedmont. Temperatures this morning, chillier than yesterday. A lot of us anywhere from 15 to 25 degrees chillier now than where we were at this point yesterday morning. Again, some mountain snow today, maybe a few Piedmont sprinkles. Not a big deal in terms of the sprinkle activity with this little disturbance moving through. And notice here comes another disturbance moving through the Midwest that'll bring another shot of some snow to the mountains Thursday night into Friday morning. Now, today's forecast will also feature some wind. Pretty breezy conditions as we get into this afternoon. Could see some winds gusting over 30 miles per hour or so higher in the mountains. And you add that to the fact that it's going to be a good bit chillier than yesterday, and it's going to feel like a winter day. A much colder day today than what we've seen recently. Mountain winds continue tonight, but the Piedmont winds will subside. And speaking of the mountains, there's your snow today. Not a huge snow event, but some of the favored northwest facing areas could pick up 2, 3, 4 inches of snow as today unfolds. Short edition of the video today, so that's all I have for you. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.